The
Mm.
number one sign when someone needs help would be perhaps their sleep. If their sleep patterns are already distorted, disrupted,
Mm.
they either cannot sleep or they are sleeping too much, but most of the time it's really being not sleeping enough. The
Mm.
second part that you would know that someone needs help is their hygiene. They no longer take care of themselves,
Mm.
as simple as brushing their teeth, taking a shower daily. A third sign is that they become less engaged with people. They don't want to talk to people. They want to just stay inside their bedroom, which brings me to the fourth sign is
Mm.
that they could get angry easily. And this is easily to the point that sometimes there's no reason for them to get angry.